Now, according to Colorado State, whom I gratefully paraphrase, jump cues work better because they're shorter and easier to handle. They're lighter, which means that they accelerate faster, and they have less forward motion after the hit, and that helps the cue ball clear the tip. Jump cues also typically are made of stiffer woods and have hard tips. This combination of attributes delivers crisp hits, so the cue ball bounces away.
Oh!
I wanted to come up with something that is elegant, a few $100s. It would jump balls like nothing, look cool, and kind of stick that when somebody sees it, they just have to know what it is.
Ta-da! That is a hickory shaft.
Check this out.
Collarless hickory. And on a tip. I don't know how to jump.